G'day, and welcome to Todd's Kitchen. I was thinking about some old recipes the other day that Mum used to cook during parties, and one thing I gotta always remember is chocolate crackles. So today I'm going to show you the easy way and the best way to make chocolate crackles. Okay, we're going to start by melting our copha. Now this is the stuff you want. Now it may be under a different brand in other countries, but it's basically just vegetable shortening. So I've got a pot here on medium heat, so I'm just going to put it in there, and we're going to turn it around, keep mixing it around until it's completely melted. Okay, that's completely melted now, so we're going to take it off the stove and we're going to leave it to cool for about 10 minutes. And so while this is cooling, we're going to get started on the next step. Okay, now into a bowl we're going to place our rice bubbles. Now they may be called something different in your country, but they're basically like a puffed rice that people eat for cereal. So we're going to stick that in there. Next, place a sieve on top of the bowl. Now we're going to add in our icing sugar, or it's also called confectionery sugar. Then we're going to place in our cocoa powder. Now just simply sieve the mix through. And then just add your desiccated coconut. Now just give it a quick stir through just to combine. Okay, once that's all combined, then we're going to pour in our copha mix. Then just give it a good mix through until it's all a nice uniform colour. Okay, once it's all done, I've got some little paper cupcake holders here. So now it's just a simple matter of spooning the mixture in, like so. You can fill them up as much as you like, it's completely up to you. Okay, so once you've made up the desired amount, now you're going to place this into the fridge for about an hour to set. Okay, so I've had these sitting in the fridge for an hour now, and as you can see they've turned up pretty damn good. Oh yeah, let's give one of these a taste. One second. That's fantastic. Oh yeah. Well, that sure was delish. Thank you for watching this episode of Todd's Kitchen. Be sure to show me your love by giving me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you again this Friday for my next delicious recipe.